So, for the last drawing for tonight, we're going to draw who?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Okay, Daddy first. Ang kinuha mo na yung space ko. Wala na akong space. Sa baba ka, sa taas ako sa baba. Ulit. Both of us. Why, are you tired na? Ulitin natin ulitin. Kinuha mo yung space ko eh. Kasi malaki yung tenga ni Cinnamon. Mahaba siya. Okay, me first.
That.
Oh, you. Sa ilalim ka, yan. Sa ilalim. It's like an eggplant.
I
And
don't
then,
like mine.
The face. Ah, ganun. Oh, inahugaw mo yung space ko sa taas. Okay, it's okay lang. And then, okay lang. And then, mine. Ay, naputo. And then mine. How about yours? And then the eyes. Cinnamon's eyes. Cinnamon's eyes.
Like mine.
You finish it lang. It's okay lang. Eyes and then the mouth. Mouth. And then, cutie. Dimpo. And then it's done. That is cinnamon roll and Fia's. What's that? Is that cinnamon roll monster? Guys, if you like Daddy's drawing, click the heart button. And if you like Fia's cinnamon roll, hit the heart button. Cinnamon roll monster. Why? It's so pretty nga eh.
No.
Ulitin natin.
No.
You like it?
No.
Why? Nagalit na. It's so pretty, oh. You did it correct. You want to repeat it? Okay, let's repeat it. Bilis. Let's repeat. Say bye-bye na to your subscribers. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.